weightlessness, floating in a transparent sea, closed off from the outside world of man. In here, you will find peace, calm, tranquility. Security, joy, innocence. Time to rest, time to come out, time to play, time to dance.
Alice started to her feet, and burning with curiosity, she ran across the field after it.
The shock, emerging to chaos, glaring lights, buzzing flashes, and fuzzing dots, red and fuzzing dots, freshly baked, straight from the oven's mouth. In this harsh reality, the babies are welcomed into the brave new world of man. Most of them recover from the shock and grow up to be healthy little human beings. But now and again, there is a baby that is affected by the bright light. The flashes send a trigger to their brain. They develop what is known as red dot syndrome. Red dot, red dot, red. Red dot syndrome, also known as compulsive wound fixation. Symptoms include favouring activities such as hide and seek, building nests, finding holes to take refuge in. While sleeping, they crawl into the fetal position. Later in life, their fixation becomes stronger. The subject imagines itself pregnant and more urgently than ever tries to seek ways of returning to the womb. It's time to go back inside. The disease finally reaches its climax, whereby the subject, by hard focusing, transforms itself into a red dot and finds a passageway back to the womb.
Was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under the hedge. Down went Alice after it, never once considering how in the world she was to get out again.
Home again. It's time to dance once more.
I know a fat old policeman, he's always on our street. A fat and jolly red-faced man, he really is a treat. He's too kind for a policeman, he's never known to frown. And everybody says he is the happiest man in town.